Hey there, herbal enthusiasts. Welcome back to the Herbal Keys, your go-to channel for unlocking the magic of the herb kingdom. Today, we're diving deep into an herb that's more than just a pretty face. It's a powerhouse of flavor, fragrance, and fantastic benefits. We're talking about Salvia rosmarinus, formerly known as Rosmarinus officinalis, but commonly known as rosemary, and by the end of this video, you'll be wondering how you ever lived without it. Grab a comfy seat, and let's uncover the top 10 reasons you need rosemary in your home and garden. And while you're sitting there all comfy, hit the like button. All right, let's get into our countdown. First up, rosemary is incredibly forgiving and thrives with minimal fuss, making it perfect for beginners. Whether you have a sprawling garden or just a sunny windowsill, rosemary can thrive. And getting more rosemary is simple. Just take a 3 to 6 inch cutting, pop it in water or soil, and watch it root to create new plants. It loves basking in at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight a day and absolutely prefers well-draining soil. It's also quite communicative about its watering needs and prefers to stay on the drier side once established. If its leaves start turning brown, it's usually a clear sign of overwatering, as rosemary dislikes having wet feet. Rosemary is a fantastic long-term investment for your garden and home because it's typically a perennial, meaning it comes back year after year. If you live in USDA hardiness zones 8 or warmer, your rosemary plant will likely overwinter beautifully outdoors, growing larger and more robust each season. For those in colder climates, don't worry, you can still enjoy this amazing herb all year. It's also an evergreen, keeping its vibrant foliage even in winter. Simply grow it in a container and bring it indoors during the colder months. Find a bright, sunny spot, and you'll have fresh, green rosemary even when there's snow outside. Rosemary offers incredible aesthetic value, maintaining its lush, needle-like foliage all year round, making it a beautiful addition to any space, even in winter. And keeping it looking its best is simple with regular pruning. Unlike many herbs that die back, rosemary stays vibrant and green, providing a constant splash of color and fragrance in your garden or on your patio. Pruning not only keeps it looking great, but also ensures a healthier, bushier plant by promoting new growth and preventing it from becoming woody and leggy. The best time to prune is in the spring and summer, aiming to remove about a quarter of the plant's growth with clean, sharp pruners. Just avoid heavy pruning too close to the first frost. The fragrance of rosemary is invigorating and refreshing, making your home smell amazing naturally. You can easily create a wonderful aroma by simmering a few sprigs of rosemary in a pot of water on the stove, perhaps with some orange peels or cinnamon sticks. This fills your home with a fresh, clean scent without any artificial chemicals. Beyond simmering, there are several simple ways to infuse your home with rosemary's fragrance. crush a few leaves and place them in a small sachet in drawers, or add a few drops of rosemary essential oil to your diffuser for an instant burst of its clean, herbaceous scent. You can also simply keep a thriving rosemary plant indoors, letting its natural aroma gently scent the air. Rosemary is a fantastic addition to your garden ecosystem. It's a friend to beneficial insects and a deterrent to some unwelcome ones. When rosemary blooms with its delicate blue or white flowers, it becomes a magnet for bees and other pollinators, which are vital for a healthy garden and ecosystem. But wait, there's more. While it attracts the good guys, it tends to keep the bad guys away. The strong scent of rosemary is often disliked by common garden pests like cabbage moths, slugs, and even some types of mosquitoes, making it a natural organic pest repellent for your garden. Okay, now let's talk about why most people first fall in love with rosemary, its incredible versatility for savory dishes. It truly elevates so many meals. Think about pairing it with roasted meats, chicken, lamb, pork, or even a hearty beef stew. The earthy, piney notes of rosemary infuse the meat with an unforgettable aroma and flavor. But it's not just for meats. Rosemary shines beautifully with all sorts of vegetables, transforming simple sides into gourmet experiences. Sprinkle fresh rosemary over roasted potatoes, carrots, Brussels sprouts, and other veggies. It's also fantastic in savory sauces and marinades. While rosemary is a savory superstar, it also finds a surprisingly delightful place in the world of baking, adding a unique aromatic twist. Rosemary is an absolute dream in savory breads like focaccia or artisan loaves. Its distinct flavor permeates the dough, creating an incredibly aromatic and flavorful crust. But don't stop at just bread. It can also be incorporated into other baked treats, offering a sophisticated flavor profile. Try adding finely chopped rosemary to savory scones, biscuits, or even corn muffins for an unexpected herbaceous note that will impress your taste buds. Rosemary boasts an impressive list of health benefits, backed by centuries of traditional use and emerging scientific research. Many people use rosemary to help with digestion. A simple rosemary tea after a meal can aid in soothing an upset stomach. It's also packed with powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, and often cited for its potential to improve circulation. But that's not all. Rosemary has gained significant attention for its impact on cognitive function. The aroma of rosemary is often associated with improved memory and focus. Some studies even suggest it can boost alertness. And for those seeking natural remedies for hair loss, rosemary essential oil is a popular choice, often massaged into the scalp, as it may stimulate hair follicles. Did you know rosemary extends its helpfulness beyond the kitchen and garden to your home? It's a fantastic ingredient for natural, non-toxic household solutions. Its strong, pleasant scent makes it an excellent addition to homemade cleaning sprays, especially for kitchens and bathrooms. Simply infuse it in vinegar or water for a refreshing and effective cleaner. And it's not just for cleaning. Its aromatic properties also make it useful for pest control inside the house, providing a chemical-free alternative. You can make sachets of dried rosemary to deter moths in closets. Try hanging or placing the sachets on shelves or any place clothing is stored, while providing a lovely, refreshing scent. Finally, rosemary isn't just a practical plant. It carries a fascinating and deep cultural history across various civilizations, making it a living link to the past. Throughout ancient Greece and Rome, rosemary was considered sacred and was often used in religious ceremonies as incense in temples, and even as a symbol of remembrance for scholars and philosophers to aid memory during studies. Its journey through time continued into medieval Europe, where it became a staple in daily life, often used in folk remedies, protective charms, and even as a strewing herb to purify homes. From being a common ingredient in medieval banquets to appearing in Shakespearean plays, its presence in historical texts and traditions is pervasive. And there you have it, 10 incredible reasons why rosemary deserves a prime spot in your home and garden. From its easy care and culinary delights to its health benefits and rich symbolism, rosemary is truly a powerhouse herb. What's your favorite way to use rosemary? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful and inspiring, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the Herbal Keys for more amazing insights into the world of incredible herbs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.